so let's get opening. It comes in this gorgeous box. Okay, let's see. So we've got a cleaning brush. We've got a sorbet ice cream attachment, so you can make sorbet ice cream. How awesome is that? All right, so we've got 2 jugs here. One is the pulp jug and the other is the juice jug. This is an attachment that goes on top of one of your jugs like this. This is the lid with the pusher. Push the fruit through, veggies. All right, so here we have the juicer base. So this is the juicer bowl, and this just attaches to the base here, and you can actually see that there is an arrow and an arrow here, so you just line those up. All right, so these 2 parts, this is the rotating wiper and this is the strainer, and you just connect them in together until you hear a click. Once you've clicked them together, you want to pop it in here and find where it clicks down. There we go. Next we have the juicing auger, and this is where it starts to juice everything and compress all of the veggies. So you press that down until it clicks in and it feels sturdy. Next you want to be popping this lid on, and what you need to do is you need to click it in around here, and there's a little bit right here that clicks into the back base. So you want to click that in so it's nice and tight. Then you want to grab your jugs. Lid optional, but if you're going to use the lid, you'll want to use that on as the juice catcher. And the pulp catcher is over here. Then you can go ahead and plug it in, and there's an on-off button on the back. You can click reverse. And then when you want to actually start juicing, you want to turn it on, put your fruit or your veggies in here and use the presser to push it down, and it's going to push the pulp out into this jug, and it's going to push the juice into this jug. This juicer also comes with a complete instructions manual, how to put it together, how to use it, how to troubleshoot it, how to clean it, all of the above. This is the absolute perfect gift to yourself or to someone else. Juicing should be a huge part of your everyday lifestyle if you want to live a healthy lifestyle. Getting those concentrated nutrients into your body directly to the cells is such a great way to expand your health and to take you to a level of wellness that you may not have felt before. Many natural cancer clinics use a lot of juicing.